Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever thought that what will happen if our sun is converted into a black hole? Will we be able to survive? What will be its effects on our planet? Will the sun turn into a black hole? In this video we are going to discuss about all this. So watch the video till the end. If you are new to my channel or have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates about my videos. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Okay, let's imagine for a second that the sun has turned into a black hole. What would it be like for us? Well, the sun that has turned into a black hole will not be giving out any light or heat, so prepare for the miserable existence in freezing cold and pitch black environment. You will not be able to see the moon and our neighbor planets on permanently dark sky anymore, but only stars. But here is a good news. Our sun that has turned into a black hole will be so small that we would hardly notice any difference in its gravity. Even if the sun somehow converted into a black hole without the initial expansion, explosion and inevitability mass loss that normally accompany such transformation, a solar mass black hole will be tiny. Black holes are about mass squeezed into a point of infinite density called the singularity. The more massive object you squeeze, the larger its event horizon is and the further away from the black hole a stable orbit of a planet would be. For the simplest case of a non-rotating black hole, the size of the event horizon is determined by its Schwarzschild radius. A solar mass black hole would have a Schwarzschild radius of about 3 kilometers. Therefore, any planet orbiting more than 3 kilometers away from the center of the solar system would be safe. Similarly, the Earth would have orbited a solar mass black hole just as it currently orbits the Sun. If the Sun turned into a black hole, then what will be its effects on our planet Earth? As for the living things on our planet, life on Earth, even though it will stay on its current orbit, will not be as easy as before. As the temperature on Earth drops, the surface water will quickly freeze. Without sunlight, photosynthesis will cease and consequently plant-eating species will die out. Human might be able to survive underground using geothermal energy for heating and to generate electricity. Don't fancy living underground. You'll be surprised to hear that underground living becomes increasingly popular these days even with no threat of sun turning into a black hole. Earth-sheltered houses, either underground ones or born, provide excellent protection from natural disasters, elements and noise pollution. We have discussed till now that what will happen if the sun turned into a solar mass black hole and its effects on Earth. But the main question is, will the sun ever turn into a black hole? No, it's too small for that. The sun is never going to turn into a black hole because only the most massive stars become black hole at the end of their lives. Little stars like the sun die in a different way. When these stars burn off all the hydrogen in their cores, they swell into red giants. Their cores contract while various outer layers form and continue to expand. At the end, these stars leave behind a very dense core, a so-called white dwarf surrounded by a shell of gas called a planetary nebula. So again, what are white dwarfs? White dwarfs are dead remnants, which means no nuclear fusion is happening in their interiors. Newborn white dwarfs are very hot. With time, these objects cool down and become black dwarf. The cooling happens so slowly that astronomers believe that not a single black dwarf has been formed yet. The sun would need to be about 20 times more massive to end its life as a black hole. Stars that are born this size or larger can explode into a supernova at the end of their lifetimes before collapsing back into a black hole, an object with a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Some smaller stars are big enough to go supernova but too small to become a black hole. They will collapse into a super dense structures called neutron stars after exploding as a supernova. But the sun is not big enough for this type of transformation either. It has only about 1/10 of the mass needed to eventually become a neutron star. So what will happen to the sun in the end of its lifespan? In some 6 billion years it will end of its life as a white dwarf, a small dense remnant of a star that glows from a leftover heat. The process will start about 5 million years from now when the sun begins to run out of fuel. That's all in this video. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. Like this video and share with your friends. How was the video? Please drop your comments in the comment section. So friends, see you in the next video.